SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
If you're already using the flashlight on your iPhone, either by pressing the button on the lock screen or by opening the control center and tapping the flashlight button there, then you're probably familiar with how useful of an option this is on the device. But if you don't use it as often as you would like because the flashlight's either too bright or too dim, then there's something you can do to adjust the brightness. If you're already using the control center method to turn on the iPhone's flashlight, then you're pretty close to knowing how to adjust its brightness as well. Simply swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center, but instead of just pressing the flashlight icon, tap and hold on it. That opens up this screen, and you can drag the slider up to make the flashlight brighter, or you can drag it down to make the flashlight dimmer. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic, and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.